Series and parallel. Can you see this? Yeah, even this is also removed from the. Hi students, welcome to my channel Doctors Physics. Still many of you guys are having doubts which are the topics removed from the CBSE board exam for the year 2021. Today I am here to show you all the topics including the page numbers which are removed from the CBSE board by using the NCERT books. Okay, see this? This is class 12 first part. This is class 12 NCERT first part. Now see up. Open page number 39. If you open page number 39, then you can see this. Field due to the uniform charge thin spherical shell. This part from the first chapter is removed from the syllabus for the year 2021 academic year. Field due to uniform charge thin spherical shell. Page number 39, first chapter. Now open page number 102. That means third chapter. From second chapter nothing is removed. Now when you open third chapter, page number 102, then you can see this. Yeah, this is page number 102. Now you can see this. The carbon resistors as well as the color coding of the resistors. This topic is removed from the chapter. Carbon resistors, color coding. Please remember this. Page number 102, chapter 3. And now open page number 107. In the same chapter, open page number 107. You can see this. The combination of resistors, series and parallel. Can you see this? Yeah, even this is also removed from the syllabus. This is actually very important topic, but this is removed from the syllabus for the year 2021. Please remember this. Page number 107, combination of resistors, series and parallel in chapter 3. Okay, next one. Open page number 120. If you open page number 120, you can see this. Meter bridge. Can you see this meter bridge, page number 120? Even this, in this meter bridge, only quantitative analysis is there. That means simply theoretical part. There is no numericals in the exam. No numericals will come from this meter bridge. They will simply ask the conceptually, that's all. Now open page number 123. If you open page number 123, in this potentiometer, the method to find the internal resistance of the battery, that means this formula. That formula is removed from the syllabus. Potentiometer using to find the internal resistance of a battery, that is removed from the syllabus. Page number 120. Please remember this. R is equal to capital R into L1 by L2 minus 1. This formula is removed from the syllabus. Okay, that's all from the page chapter 3. Now we'll go to chapter 4. In chapter 4, open page number 140. Yeah, can you see this? Cyclotron. In page number 140, cyclotron. These very important syllabus for the NEET and JEE. But for the CBSE next year syllabus, this is removed from the next year syllabus, 2021 syllabus. The cyclotron, page number 140, chapter 4. The cyclotron is removed. Everything is removed regarding the cyclotron. Now that's all from the chapter 4. Now open chapter 5, page number 191. Page number 191. If you open page number 191, can you see this? Magnetic properties of the materials. Magnetic properties of the materials. That means under this what are there? Diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, all these are not there. All these are not there from the syllabus. Till here. Till the permanent magnets and electromagnets. Even this also comes under this. Okay, not only these topics, not only ferromagnetism, diamagnetism, paramagnetism, not only these topics are removed. From chapter 5, there are few more topics removed. Those are the torque experienced by the bar magnet when placed in a magnetic field. Even the topic also removed. Please remember, the torque experienced by the bar magnet when it is placed in a magnetic field. This topic is removed. As well as one more topic, that is the magnetic field intensity along the axial point and equatorial point of a bar magnet. Please remember, the magnetic field intensity is along the axial point and the equatorial point of a bar magnet. Even this topic also removed from the chapter 5. Okay, now we'll go to the chapter 6. From chapter 6, nothing is removed. From chapter 6, nothing is removed. And when you go to chapter 7, page number 252. Chapter 7, page number 252. Yeah, in this page number 252, can you see this? The power factor. Even this power factor also removed from the syllabus. From alternating current, that is chapter 7, page number 252, the power factor is removed from the syllabus. Not only power factor, even the wattless current. Even the wattless current, power factor, these two are removed from the syllabus from chapter 7, that is alternating current, page number 252. Okay, now chapter 8. Please open chapter 8. In chapter 8, page number 270. In page number 270, that is electromagnetic waves. In this chapter, you can see this displacement current. In chapter 8, can you see this displacement current? Yeah, even this displacement current also removed from the syllabus for next year. Displacement current, page number 270, chapter 8, electromagnetic waves. Displacement current is removed from the syllabus. Okay, in class 12 NCERT part 2, the first chapter, that means the ray optics. In ray optics, the starting topics, those are reflection of light ray due to the spherical mirrors. Reflection of light due to the spherical mirrors, concave mirrors, convex mirrors, focal length of the mirrors, power of the mirrors, everything is removed from the syllabus. Everything regarding the spherical mirrors is removed from the syllabus. Refraction is there. Refraction is there, but reflection due to the spherical mirrors is removed. Now when we see the page number 333, some natural phenomena due to the sunlight. Some natural phenomena due to the sunlight, that is the rainbow. Next one, the scattering of light. These things are removed from the syllabus. Please remember, page number 333, the natural phenomena of sunlight, that is the rainbow, the scattering of light, the blue color of the sky, these are removed from the syllabus. Now when we see the optical instruments, in these optical instruments, the eye is removed. Eye already removed, but now again I am saying you, the eye is removed from the syllabus. This eye, the retina, studying of the eye, this is removed. Now when we come to the next chapter, that is chapter 10, the wave optics. In that wave optics, if you see page number 372, if you see the page number 372, this one, the resolution power of the optical instruments. In this, the resolution power of the microscope is removed. The resolution power of the microscope is removed. Now when you open the next page, here, the polarization, this whole syllabus, the whole topic is removed. Polarization, whole topic is removed. The polarization by scattering, the polarization by the reflection, everything is removed from the syllabus. The whole topic, polarization, is removed from the wave optics. Now when you open the chapter 10, that is next one, dual nature. In dual nature, page number 403. In this page number 403, can you see this, the Davison's and German experiment? This experiment totally is removed from the syllabus. In chapter 11, page number 403, dual nature and radiation. Dual nature of radiation and matter. In this chapter, the Davison's and German experiment is removed from the syllabus. Okay. From chapter 12, nothing is removed. And when you see the chapter 13, page number 442. Page number 442. Yeah, in this. See here, from chapter 12, that means the atoms, nothing is removed. When we come to the chapter 13, that means the nuclei. In this nuclei, page number 442. Can you see this? The mass energy and nuclear binding energy. This mass energy is there. This mass energy is not removed. But when you see this binding energy is removed from the syllabus. The topics which are regarding the binding energy, everything is removed. Now when you see the page number 442, okay, when you see the radioactivity, if you see the radioactivity, next page, in this radioactivity totally is removed. Alpha, beta, gamma particles, the decays, law of radioactivity decay, everything is removed. The radioactivity whole topic, alpha, beta, gamma, decay of alpha, beta, gamma, the problems, everything is removed. Radioactivity. Now when you see the semiconductors, in semiconductors, if you see the semiconductors, the Zener diode, page number 485. Page number 485, if you see this, The genodiode. This genodiode is removed from the syllabus. Photodiode is there, and optical. If you take the photodiode is there, and the solar cell is there, light emitting diode, these are there. But if you see the genodiode, this genodiode is removed. Page number 485, chapter name semiconductors. And when you see the transistors are removed from the last year itself. From 2 years back itself, the transistors removed. Plus, this year they removed the genodiode. These are from the 12th class. These are topics which are removed from the 12th class. Now we will see the topics which are removed from the 11th class. Part 1. From chapter 1, physical world, and chapter 2, units and dimensions, nothing is removed. From chapter 3, that is motion and straight line. From this, page number 40. If we take page number 40, the frame of reference. The frame of reference is removed. Please remember, the frame of reference is removed. And X was a displacement versus time graph. This one. Displacement versus time graph. The velocity versus time graph. This displacement versus time graph, velocity versus time graph, these are removed. And the frame of reference is removed. From chapter 3, that is motion and straight line. And from chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, nothing is removed. Now if you take chapter 7, that is 164, page number 164, that is rotatory mechanics. Now can you see here? 164, rotatory mechanics, that means system of particles and rotatory motion. Page number 164, can you see this? The theorems of perpendicular and parallel axis. This topic is removed from the syllabus. This is actually very important topic. Many problems will come from NEET to the NEET and JEE mains exams. But for next year CBSE board, this topic is removed. Theorems of perpendicular and parallel axis theorem. And now if you take the next part, in this part 1, only these are the topics which are removed. That is in chapter 3, frame of reference and the XT and VT graphs. And in this chapter, rotatory motion chapter, this parallel axis theorem and perpendicular axis theorem, these are removed. Only from part 1 these are removed. And now we will see the part 2. Chapter 9, the mechanical properties of solids. In this chapter, if you take the first page, can you see here? The elastic behavior of solids. The elastic behavior of solids. This topic is removed from the syllabus. Elastic behavior of solids is removed from the syllabus. And next one, shear modulus. That means in next page, after 2 pages, you can see this. Young's modulus, bulk modulus and shear modulus. Page number 238. Shear modulus. This is removed from the syllabus. And now next one, Poisson's ratio. And after that, elastic energy. Poisson's ratio, elastic energy. Even these 2 topics are removed from the syllabus. Shear modulus, elastic behavior of solids, Poisson's ratio and elastic energy. These are removed from the syllabus from chapter 9. That means from mechanical properties of solids, these are the topics removed. Now when we come to the chapter 12, that means thermodynamics. If you come to thermodynamics, the heat engine, refrigerator, I think you guys know this. The heat engine, refrigerator, everything is removed. Heat engine, Carnot engine, refrigerator, all are removed from the thermodynamics chapter. Now, second law of thermodynamics. In second law of thermodynamics, heat engine. Next one. Everything regarding the heat engine, refrigerator, heat engine, everything is removed from the syllabus, from thermodynamics. Now, when we come to the chapter 15, page number 380. Page number 380, chapter 15. Can you see this? Waves. The Doppler effect is removed from the syllabus. Can you see this Doppler effect? This Doppler effect is removed from the syllabus. From the waves topic, this Doppler effect is removed from the syllabus. Page number 380. The basics. Note, fundamental harmonics, fundamental frequencies, overtones. These topics are removed from the syllabus. From waves topic, Doppler effect, and the basic topics that like note, fundamental frequencies, fundamental harmonics, overtones, octaves, these are removed from the syllabus. These are the topics which are removed from the syllabus from NCERT, that means CBSE, for the year 2021. And these are removed only for the board exam. And there is no clarity that they are removed from NEET exam or JEE mains. So for the one who is preparing for the NEET and JEE mains, please you guys study everything. All these topics which are removed, they won't take more than 2 or 3 hours. So for to be in safe zone, for the one who is preparing for NEET and JEE mains exam, please you guys prepare every topic. And for the one who is preparing for board exam, you guys can omit these topics. These are not there for the board exam. And in next video, I'm going to tell you how you can study the class 11 topics within 1 or 1.5 month. Okay, thank you.